Alright, this is the XTG Twister. Goes about 40 miles an hour. Underneath it, yeah, one of my friends broke it, so now I have to use a baby pin because it won't fit. Alright, this is $150, but it's worth it. But every penny. And this is really, really hard.
Doesn't this car go 45 miles an hour?
40, 45. Depends.
If it's charged up enough.
Yeah.
But where's all the pins?
Right here.
Alright, good.
Alright, this is the engine, worth a lot. The fan, the hard drive, the battery, and the servos. Where's the other pin? I put down, oh, here it is. Alright, and here's the remote. And it's all charged up. You can charge, at the beginning, you can charge it for the best for the 5 to 6 hours. But if you just want a regular charge, 3 to 4 hours. But I always go for the better charge. You can do 2 runs a day if you want to. But I usually do 1 to cool down the engine. And because it overheats, it will go in those speeds. Alright, wait. Alright, now we're set to go. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Sure?
Yep. Do a 360. Bring it closer. Pick all this up. Bring it all the way down. And spin it right in front of the Bring it more over here. Can't even see it.
Really?
Yep.
Whoa, how did I go out of control? Why do I keep going out of control?
Alright, stand over here. Stop it.
What?
Come on, bring it like right there.
Now I'm gonna see how fast it goes in the grass.
I bring it back over. Just do a 360 and not right there.
Oh!
Bring it over.
I flipped it! Dude, I flipped it!
Dude, bring it over here. Have it do a 360. Alright, that's
Do not try to jump if you're an amateur. This is $150 and it's worth every penny.